Hello everyone. After having understood the construction of subdivided and percentage bar diagram, now we move on to the construction of broken and deviation bar diagrams. Broken bar diagram. This diagram is used when value of some variables is too high or too low as compared to other values in the data set. Height of largest bar may then be broken if the value is too high because it will be difficult to adjust the scale. Now let us have a look at this numerical example. This is about production in tons in different years. In 2015, the production of good X is 40 tons. In 2016, it is 60 tons. In 2017, it is 4,000 tons. And in 2018, it is 100 tons. So one can notice that in 2007, the data is too large, not comparable to the rest. So we make a scale on x-axis. It is the time period, number of years. On y-axis, production in tons is taken. And as usual, we make bars as per the scale. So this is the first one in 2015, represent 40 tons. 2016 represent 60 tons. 2017, the maximum value taken is 100 tons. So the first portion of the bar is still 100, and then you need to show a break in between, and then one can have another part of the bar which represent the value which is given here, which is 4,000 in this case. And the last bar is 100 tons as shown by the scale taken. Deviation bar diagram. These diagrams represent two different attributes of data. These have both positive and negative aspects. Positive values are shown above the baseline and negative values are shown below the baseline. These diagrams are generally used when only net changes in the data needs to be presented, like net exports, net imports, net profit, and so on. Have a look at this illustration. Here we have years, exports, imports, and balance. One can find the balance between exports and imports as exports minus imports, or trying to say that we need to find out net exports. So we have a scale here. On x-axis, it is the years to be taken into account. On y-axis, it's the values that represent net exports. So we have found here in the table that for 2016, net exports is 300 minus 260, it is plus 40. In 2017, it is 460 minus 400, it is plus 60. In 2018, it is 460 minus 500, it is minus 40. In 2019, 580 minus 600, it is minus 20. In 2020, it is 660 minus 600, it is minus 60. So we need to present two data above the axis and three data below the baseline. So here we represent the values taken as 0 till 80 as positive ones and 0 till minus 80 in the negative. And by coordinating the year with the balance, one can make a bar. So first case is 40. So we have this point against 40. Second point is for 2017, it is plus 60. So this is the point. One can always make it. It is easy. In 2018, it is minus 40. So we go below the baseline. Minus 40 is represented here, and gray colored bar shows minus 40. 2019, it is minus 20. and this is the point showing minus 20, and last one 2020 is minus 60, and this is the point that shows minus 60. So deviation bar diagrams are used only when the difference has to be shown. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just rupees 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to Ecostudys channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.